Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the turbine in your Dyson hairdryer. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your device to its former glory. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by unplugging your Dyson hairdryer to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the motor. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Now focus on the turbine. It is typically secured with additional screws. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. If the turbine is stuck, you may need to gently wiggle it free. Remember, patience is key here. With the turbine removed, take this opportunity to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the efficiency of your hairdryer. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in identifying any issues with your device. Once the cleaning is complete, it's time to install the new turbine. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any operational issues. Reassemble the handle by carefully aligning it and replacing the screws. Again, ensure that all screws are tightened properly. After reassembly, plug in your Dyson hairdryer and test it to ensure that the new turbine is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, it may be best to consult a professional. For your convenience, we also offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Finally, if you require a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you get your Dyson hairdryer back in working order without any hidden costs. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the turbine in your Dyson hairdryer, ensuring it continues to perform at its best for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.